Hey, what's going on, everyone? Well, the old PMUP V2, it bit the dust, and I don't really see any swelling on here, but yeah, it quit working on me. So I went and I was just going to get another one, and it's a hard pill to swallow when this little pump is $60. What? Nay. You'll notice that this is missing. We'll get into that here in a second. So what I did is I found on Amazon these guys. One downside is this doesn't come off. There's no way to get in here and clean the impeller out without, somehow physically breaking this glue connection. But you get two of these for $18. They do have 3 wires. This is a 24 volt pump. This is a 24 volt pump. It's only 17 watts, and it works pretty well. What you will notice is the size difference, and this is where this is being cut off. Cut that off and it'll slip in here upside down. It'll slip in here, and then you can just put your regular connector on top of it, just like you had on here. So if it goes out again, it's not $60. It's only 18 for 2, $9 a pump. Come on now. So what you can get is they're called Molex Micro-Fit 3.0 dual row receptacle plugs, and it's these guys. And this is what Neptune uses to plug in to the EB8s. And it does come with the other side as well, this side here, and that'll have these guys, which are your male pins. These take your female pins that have just absolutely little tiny holes in them. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to put a plug on the end of this. The yellow wire is ground. You don't need it. On this one, right here where the clip is, this side is going to be negative and this side is going to be positive. I want to shorten these a little bit because they don't need to be quite that long. You can leave them that long, that's fine. I'm going to shorten them. These guys have seen better days, but yeah, we'll go down to about there. And then, is this the proper way to strip wires? Not even in the slightest, but it works. Okay. Now we need to get, I'll just break off 2 of these because we're going to use 2. Alright, so I got these crimpers. You can see I've already got one. I don't know if it'll focus. You can see I've already got one in there. I did twist this wire, make it a little bit easier. And I am on the wire crimp, not the insulator crimp. And this thing does not want to focus at all. But, give it a little bit of pressure. Go ahead and pop this in there. Make sure our insulator is as far up as it can go. And then we'll go ahead, crimp that down. And I'm going to go one more, a little bit smaller, and crimp that in there. And there's that. Now we'll do the insulator. We'll start on this bigger one first. Whoa, you guys can't see nothing. And then move over to this guy, make it a little bit tighter. There we go. And then there's your finished crimp. As you can see, nicely crimped on the insulator, nicely crimped on the conductor. We'll go ahead and twist this guy if I can stay in frame. All right. Pop that one in there, give her a crimp. And then we'll come out, we'll go to the next guy. Just crimp down a little further. Now, get that guy out of the way. I ruined a connector here not too long ago. This one, the insulator's not fully in there, but it is in there enough. Man, if I can keep this framed for you guys, we will be in business here. Alright. Let's see how bad that is. You got the insulator. Alright. Call that good enough. On this one, brown is going to be your positive, blue is going to be your negative. And gotta remember, I believe it goes in like that right there. Alright, I had to go under the magnifying glass to find out which way this actually went. because it has been, well, it's been a while since I've done this. Pop that in there. Should hear a click, and we do. Now that guy ain't going nowhere. You can put a little heat shrink over this. It's not anywhere that's going to get wet. This is fully insulated all the way down. But this does $9. Does replace that $60 pump. This one right into the trash. Guys, all the links for this stuff, the pump as well as these ends here, I'll have that down in the description if you want to check it out. If you want to see just a full build log since I believe it's 2012, click on the link in the description and come on over to the website, rchup.com. I know it's an RC site, but I've got a full build log over there of everything that I've done between the 90-gallon tank and this 150-gallon tank. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the forum and in the next video.